guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. For all my usual subscribers and my new subscribers, welcome to my channel, and I hope you're here to stay. Today we're going to be reviewing a very much well manufactured electric shaver for men. This is by a company called Bizave, and their website is bizave.com. I will be attaching everything down below. Guys, Christmas is fastly approaching. Black Friday is approaching. The January sales are approaching. So what I would say, guys, if you want to get this for, your family members, your husbands, your partners, friends, family, whoever, because trust me, guys, I've already gifted this to my dad and someone very special to me. So guys, make sure you're making the men in your family feel very special this Christmas. I'm going to show you what it looks like, the packaging it comes in. Amazon delivered it. It was next day delivery. This company is absolutely amazing. I didn't even have to wait. I didn't have to wait long, guys. Honestly, I really didn't have to wait long. As you can see, it's new. It's unopened. And as you can see, it says electric shaver HS09. And it's for men. It's a cordless, rechargeable, waterproof electric shaver. It has rotators and pop-up trimmers, an LED display, and a travel lock. The most important thing, guys, with shavers is that it's waterproof, because most men like a wet shave to avoid bumps, scarring, and blackheads and everything else that comes along with shaving. As you can see, it says it has a 360 floating head, which is absolutely good. It's much better than the manual razors, because, guys, I've had so many issues with the manual razors, so I just don't know how men use it on their faces. As I said again, 150 minutes usage time, which is absolutely amazing. So you don't have to keep constantly recharging, and once again highlighting the safety lock. As you can see, it says comfortable shave. Look at that. Look at that. It says Ovina. So, guys, what does the side of the box say? It just gives you information about the electric shaver, the product name, the brand, the model, the input, the charging time, the using time, country of origin, product batch number, manufacturer, and so forth and so forth. So, guys, let's get into the most important, and I'm going to open this. And, guys, don't forget, I'm going to attach the website down below, and also the Amazon link where I purchased the item, because I want you guys to get your orders in and make someone feel special this Christmas. So, sorry, guys, I was struggling to get it open. As you can see, it says Orvina. Really well packaged, guys, for all the bumps and humps when it's being delivered to customers. It comes with a manual, which is really important. So if you guys are not sure about how to use this product, the manual is there, and it's got a barcode at the back to scan. So yeah, guys, it comes with the manual, which is really important. It comes with this is the charger, guys. This is the charger. You can see there, this is the charger. So it comes with its own charger, and it's a USB port. It's a USB port, so it won't be hard to charge. And if we open this up, if I can get it opened, here is the shaver. I'll just open it up to show you guys what it looks like. absolutely amazing. I really like this colour. On button, is it on? There we go, it's on, and it will do its magic once it is on. And once again, these are all the other bits with the razors and doing the fine trimmings of the beard, which is really important. So guys, this is absolutely, don't want to cut myself. This is an absolutely amazing shaver. And I think you may have to hold it down. And there we go. It's nothing too noisy. You can see that it comes charged, which is absolutely amazing. And it will do its magic. Guys, get your orders in now. Please, please, please get your orders in. The link will be down below. And yeah, guys, let me know how it goes. Just a quick one, guys. It does come with the cover for hygienic purposes. So once again, it comes with everything in the package. Get your orders in now.